Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the two different methods of creating coils, which is the heatless method with rollers and with heat, the coiling iron. So we are going to be seeing the difference in today's video. Now this is the one with rollers, so I'm just going to be teaching you how to create your coil with rollers. So if this is your first time joining in, please do well to subscribe, like, and even comment below. And yes, if you're my subscriber, thank you for joining in and thank you for being consistent. So I'm just teaching you how to roll. You roll from the middle, then you roll it to the right and completely roll up, and use the clip to clip it. So I'm just going to show you rolling two different portions. And one thing I would like to let you know is to go for these rollers that has clip, not just a normal rollers that you have to pin. Okay, so once you detangle the portion you want to work with, ensure you place the rollers from the middle and not from the end. Roll to the right completely. Don't forget to apply your conditioner, your leave-in conditioner, before you roll. Then completely roll up and clip with the clip, and that's how you create a heatless coil with no light, no coiling iron, if you don't know how to use a coiling iron. So this is how it looks when it is completely done. A detailed video about how to create your heatless coil with the use of rollers will be pinned to this video, so do well to watch it. Now to the heat coil, that's the one created with heat. Yes, we are going to be using our coiling iron. You take a portion, you roll the coiling iron and make sure the hair comes to the right. So you keep, as you're rolling, you have to be using the clamp to bring the coils, like to stretch the hair before rolling up. So that's what you're basically doing. I may not be able to explain it well, but you can see what I'm doing. Once you roll, you open the clamp and to be able to drag the hair down, so that the other portion of hair will be able to enter inside the clamp, and so you can roll everything together. So you can do this countless of times. That's the opening of the clamp and dragging for the other hairs to enter inside. You can do this as many times until all the hair enters inside before you completely roll up. Then you keep it there for some minutes so that the heat can work on the hair, so that the coil can be in place. When you're done, you release the clamp so that you can remove the coiling iron. Once you're done with that, you apply your holding spray to keep the coils in place. I don't just drop immediately, I pin up. So this allows the coil to take form, because if you drop down easily, the coil may not last. So for your coil to last, you have to apply a heat protectant and use a pin to pin it up. So I'm just going to be taking another portion and repeating the same step. That is all about styling. Styling is about repetition and calculation also. So once you take your portion, you ensure you detangle. I don't know if I said in the first part, you have to stretch it out. You stretch it out maybe 2 times. 2 times is okay. Just stretch it out 2 times, or depending on how the spirit leads. Then you coil to the right. Once you coil to the right, you open the clamp and bring it down so that other hairs would enter into the clamp and form a coil. So you can slow this video down, or you can you can watch it at your own pace in case you want to create with a coil. You want to create coils with a coiling iron. Of course, you may not be able to get it the first time or the second time, but if you keep watching the video and do exactly the way I am doing, you'll be able to perfect your coils. So that's just what you do. You coil up, leave the hair in the coiling iron. You can see I'm actually leaving the hair in the coiling iron for a while. It's to just allow the heat to create that coil very well. So after you've left it in a while, then you release the clamp to bring out the coils. You apply your heat protectant and you pin up. So a detailed video about how to create your coils with heat with coiling iron, because this is not actually a detailed video, I just scratched the surface. I'll add the video to this in the description box below to this video, so that you know how to coil, pin and unpin your heat coils made with coiling iron. So now I'm losing the coils of this particular one, which is the heatless coil, and now you may just see me loosening the coil. But one thing I want you to do is to really go and watch the video that I attached on how to create heatless coil and how to lose them, because this particular coils I created, placement was very crucial. So I'm not just coiling and I'm not just on clipping, removing down the bringing down the coils. There's also placement of the coils that is very, very important. So you have to go back and watch the video so that you know why I'm placing the coils in this direction or why I'm placing the coils in another direction, and that is only when you know how I rolled to clip. All right, so it's very important you watch the video. So after loosening the coil, this is how the coil looks like. Then for the heatless, for the one made with coiling iron, that's the heat coils, I'm just bringing them down. Also, placement was really put into consideration while creating this coil. So you need to watch the video of how I created this coil, like the full video. So I'm just unpinning the coils. So in the full video that I'll attach to this particular video, I'll teach you how to create the heatless coil, how to unpin and how to style. This is actually the final look of the coil. So that's the heat, this is the heatless. So it depends on the one you want to choose to create that perfect coil for that perfect wig. So if you learned something, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Bye.